What we're looking at here is the Fox 70 from Kayo USA. The Fox 70 is perhaps the best ATV for any child over the age of 6. Just getting started? This is the perfect machine. It has an electric starter, an easily manageable 70cc engine, and is fully automatic. This vehicle features disc brakes front and rear to help you control your speed and to stop securely when you need to. The Fox 70 is suspended with appropriate sized riders in mind, so you're in for a stable, comfortable ride. The Fox 70 is covered by a 6-month limited warranty. Now let's get into the features, specs, and benefits of the Fox 70. The Fox 70 features a single overhead cam 4-stroke 70cc air-cooled motor, and it puts power to the ground via a single-speed, fully automatic transmission. This bike also features an electronic ignition and a chain drive. When looking at the suspension, we have non-adjustable shocks up front, but in the rear, we do have a single adjustable monoshock. When it comes to braking, we have dual hydraulic disc brakes up front and a single hydraulic disc in the rear. When it comes to tires and wheels, we're looking at 16 by 8 inch tires up front on 7 inch wheels, and in the rear we have 16 by 8 inch tires on 7 inch wheels. The overall seat height of this vehicle is 23.8 inches and the wheelbase is 30.3. This vehicle features a 4.5 inch ground clearance and has a fuel capacity of 0.55 gallons. The overall weight of the Fox 170 is 158.7 pounds. If you have any further questions about this fully automatic Fox 70, please leave a comment down below and ask away. Or you can check us out on the website at azmotocity.com. And if you'd like to talk to us on the phone, we're here for you as well. The number is 623-777-1626. Thank you for your interest in the Kayo USA Fox 70. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care and ride safe out there.